Hey guys, Steve Welch, Beeman Toyota in Nashville. Wanted to show you something that's actually really cool about the new Sienna, and I haven't done an individual video about this. I have done it as part of my trim level series, but what it is you have a four zone AC system, and it's actually really awesome that they've done this. So this is going to be on your XLE and above. This particular one's a platinum, but I can show you this particular one pretty easily. All right, so I think you'll see things like your digital rearview mirror, things like that on there, but here's where I want to direct your attention to. All right, so this is going to be kind of what we're looking at right here. Okay, so this is your temperature, up, down. Obviously you can see that there's nothing else that's really up here right now. All right, so you can change the modes. This is the mode to change if it's on your feet, defrost, with that. Now if you just want to do defrost by itself, you have one button that's down here for defrost, but that's your rear window defroster, and also this will turn on your heated outside mirrors. Will turn on with that, but definitely here's your AC here, recirculation. This cuts off the back seats, so it cuts off the air to the back seats. So you see what just happened? I just turned this on and boom, all of this just came up. All right, so what this does is it watches for a butt in the seat. All right, you can see it sees there's one butt in the seat, which happens to be mine, but it'll always turn on at least your driver's side unless you shut the whole system off. Right, once you shut the whole system off, it'll do that. You can see that there's nothing there until you turn on your fan, of course. Turn this off. This is where I can show you your four zone system. So you'll see you have left, right, passengers. You can do this. You can hit your sync, which will sync all of them to the same, which I just did there. Right now, what I want to do is I'm actually going to hop into the back here in a second, but I'm going to show you how to change this. So rear, you can change this way. So if you unsync the rear, you can change that. If you want to change the opposite side, so if you have a baby on one side and a kid on the other that maybe they want different temperatures, you can change all of this right here for the back. All right, you can say I want everything on low, I want everything the same. Hit sync, it'll all be the same. Right, turn your rear back off, you'll see that that's different. So you can have all of them sync together. Right, if you go back into the rear and you move these, right, now watch this. I'm going to go back into the front. You see I can change the front without changing the rear. All right, so you can see how that works. Come back over to rear. Now I'm hitting mode on rear. This is changing the back seat now, so this isn't changing the front. The front's still got the vents right where they were. So, and now you can see everything comes back after a little bit. So once you've been hitting the rear and you've been doing it, once you haven't done that for a while, you'll see it'll default back to the system where it's just the front. So if you pop over here and it's been a while and you just change yours, it's going to change yours. These are your heated and cooled seats. So that's going to be on your I believe your limited and your platinum will have heated and cooled seats. This is auto. Now here's what's cool. When you hit auto and you change this temperature, as you get closer to that temperature, it will slow your fan down. All right, so auto is going to do whatever you're telling it to do based off of this. All right, how do you get it off of auto? That's easy. Change your fan speed. So hit this fan speed and auto's shutting off. All right, turn on, it says auto right there. See, change your fan speed, it'll turn auto off. All right, so this is how you do all of this on the front screen. So your question is, well, what about the back screen? And you know what? I'm glad you asked that question. I'm going to go ahead and answer it for you. So we're going to open the back door here. All right, let me unlock it first. So we're going to open the back door here. And you got your seats are kind of pushed up here right now. I'm going to go ahead and move these back. Okay. All right. So now I'm in the back here. And what you're going to see, let me get this focused right here. And what you're going to see is up top, you've got, now your platinum has heated second row seats here, right? you can see you've got your fan speed, which I'll turn that down for reasons of being able to hear me, right? You got your fan speed here. You've got your temperature for either side. All right, now if you look on the center dash, if you can kind of see that, everything says 64 right now. I'll turn this down a couple. You can see it changes up there too. Kind of hard to see from back here, but this will change that display that I was just working with on the front. So the person in the back seat can go, well, I want it to be colder over here. Each side is going to have its own temperature. Now, if you're in the third row, you're kind of on, you know, you're up to whatever the person in the second row is doing. For obviously your side, I guess, is the easiest way to put it. But whatever that side is what that side is. So this one's going to control your left side. That one will control your right side. This is your mode, which you saw me control from up front. So this is the mode. You can shut the air all the way off, and you'll see this comes all the way off, right? Hit auto. It's going to do the same thing that the auto did, right? So it's going to, you know, and everything here. So you can see everything synced up. Scroll this down. Hit this, right? So you can hit your autos. You can, you know, whatever you want to do, you can do. Right? So, and like I said, turn your fan speed down, and it will change that for you. So pretty easy to do. It's a pretty cool system to actually work with. Like I said, they won't all look exactly like this because your heated seats on your Platinum, of course, but it'll be general. You'll kind of lose this out, but it'll be the same thing when it comes to your Sienna. Like I said, this is going to be in the XLE and above. Got a little crazy with the camera there, guys. But it's going to be on your XLE and above. Your air conditioner controls in the back, in the front, how to work everything when it comes to the air conditioner controls for your 4-zone AC system. This is going to be in your 21 and newer Toyota Sienna, the all-new hybrid Toyota Siennas. I know you might not have been able to see one yet. As soon as they land, they're tending to leave. So they're very hard to get your hands on one. And I've actually had this video I've wanted to make for a few months now. It's just, every time one lands, it's gone. So obviously I'm trying to keep you guys up to date on exactly what things are, how to work them, things along those lines. But this is your AC system. So hopefully I've showed you some things here on how that works with your 4-zone AC system in your Toyota Sienna. And for the foreseeable future, that should be in the Sienna that way. Hoping they carry it over to the Highlander. I have a sneaking suspicion they will, but we'll see. But as of right now, the only vehicle that's out in Toyota's lineup with the 4-zone system is the 21 or soon to be 22 Toyota Sienna hybrid. So Steve Welch, Beaman Toyota in downtown Nashville. Definitely like, subscribe. I appreciate every one of you guys, and let me know if you guys are looking for any videos that you need me to make. Like I said, these are all suggestions I get a lot of times from people to show them some things so it can help you to buy a better car, or buy a car that's better for your family than maybe another one. So hopefully I've taught you something here, and I definitely appreciate you guys liking and subscribing. If you want to buy a car, definitely reach out to me, Steve Welch. I'm in Nashville, Beaman Toyota. You can always call me here at the store. You can get a hold of me. Do like helping you guys, and hoping you guys have a great day, great end to the summer. We're feels like we're coming into fall now, but it's beautiful and I love it. So hopefully you guys got something from that. Definitely like, subscribe. Appreciate every one of you guys. Have a great day. Bye.